Pumping on the go doesn't have to be stressful. Whether you're a working mom, frequent traveler, or just out for the day, having the right strategies can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore essential tips and hacks to make pumping easier and more efficient. To pump successfully on the go, make sure you have a lightweight, portable breast pump, a hands-free pumping bra for convenience, storage bags or containers for safe milk storage, and cleaning wipes and a small cooler to maintain hygiene. At work, use a private, quiet space and schedule sessions around meetings. During travel, invest in a battery-operated or car adapter pump for flexibility. On errands or short trips, consider wearable pumps that allow discreet, hands-free pumping. Stay hydrated and eat nutrient-rich foods to support milk production. Massage your breasts before and during pumping to encourage letdown. Try power pumping sessions to maintain supply when away from baby. Use steam bags or pump wipes for quick sterilization. Keep milk stored in a well-insulated cooler with ice packs. Label and freeze milk as soon as possible for long-term storage. Pumping while on the move is possible with the right preparation. If you found these tips helpful, like, subscribe, and share with other moms who need pumping support.